Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey and welcome to the Train Expert channel. We have a CSX Intermodal train. Let's check it out. I don't know if you can see. There we go. I know you couldn't see the engine. Just might see the end. Got the train at least. I don't know if I got the engines in time. At least. Well, DPU all right. Well, DPU all right.
Yeah, we're going to see some couple trains on the westbound at least. Really heavy cyclical areas like energy and materials. And the other end of the spectrum. But I'm not going to be sure this is probably the last train. It all depends on the car. That spectrum too far. I think you might be in a difficult.
A lot of vans in this one.
We're going to have to go home in a tow truck for the first time ever if we don't.
So, Joe, if I told you, and this is what Rob Gallegos over at JP Morgan is talking about today, if I told you that inflationary pressures were going to normalize, those are his words, that the Omicron variant is going to accelerate the true end of the
So I got biggest.
for COVID-19.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Well, you're going to have at least baseline more aggressive Fed. Which would you say wins out if you're an investor? The first two positives or the second or the
Right,
last?
there's the end.
There's the end.
There's the end.
Yep, there's the end.
That train was CSX.
There's the end of CSX I017 from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with the next train. We should have Norfolk Southern in the same video coming up. So, we're going to get off first and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you guys later.